Okay, guys, this first lesson on integrals is going to be my shortest video ever. All you do here is you find the antiderivative. So on the first one, the answer would be 5x to the 6th plus 4x cubed plus x squared plus c. This week, integrals don't get much harder than this, but they do get a little bit harder than this. Number 2, the answer is going to be another 5x to the 6th minus 2x to the 5 plus 5x plus c. All you're doing is finding the antiderivative, and tomorrow you're going to have numbers here and here to find the area under the curve between those two numbers, whatever numbers we put in there. So stay tuned for that. That is it for today. It's, like I said, my shortest video ever.